Are you looking for a printer that's cheap to run, delivers good print quality, and is easy to use? Then stick around, because today we're taking a look at a model that delivers exactly that, though it also has a few weaknesses you should know about. If you're looking for a reliable all-in-one device that can print, scan, and copy without draining your wallet every time, then this HP inkjet printer is definitely worth a look. What makes it stand out is the refillable ink tank system. The printer already comes with a generous amount of ink, enough to print hundreds of pages without needing a refill. And when it's time to refill, the process is surprisingly clean and easy. No mess, no hassle. Just plug in the bottle and you're done. In terms of connectivity, it has everything you need for everyday use: Wi-Fi, USB, and even direct connection via smartphone. Printing from your phone? No problem. Setup is simple and quick. The print quality is very impressive, especially for text documents. The printer delivers clean, sharp results. Color prints look good too, though you'll need a bit of patience when it comes to color prints, especially photos or detailed graphics. The device noticeably slows down. It takes a while. A real plus is the compact size. It doesn't take up much space and fits well on a shelf or small desk. However, the housing feels a bit thin in some places, and the paper feeder isn't the most robust. You can really feel the compromise when working with thicker paper or special sizes. You should also know, automatic two-sided printing? Nope. And there's no fax function either. For some people that's not an issue, but it's worth knowing ahead of time. If you need a device that simply works, costs very little to run, and performs reliably day to day, this model is definitely worth considering, especially if you print a lot in black and white. The low long-term operating costs make it a real money saver over time. So if that sounds interesting to you, definitely check out the product links in the video description. So what are the strengths and weaknesses of this printer? Pros: extremely low printing costs thanks to refillable ink tanks. Very good print quality for text and documents. Easy clean refilling system, good connectivity options, including mobile devices. Cons: color prints take noticeably longer. No duplex printing, no fax function. Paper feeder not ideal for special formats. Housing feels a bit cheap in some places. If low printing costs and ease of use are more important to you than premium features like duplex printing or top-tier build quality, then this printer is the right choice for you. Be sure to check the description. That's where you'll find the best deals on the device. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, tell us your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time!